Dear friends in Jesus Christ, we are in the 25th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Focus is essential for one's life. It is the focus that clears our path to achieve our dreams and goals. If you take a hunter, his focus should be on animal or bird that is going to hunt. If he loses his focus, definitely is not going to get what he wanted. That is what today's liturgy is calling us to focus on God. Where is our focus? Do I focus on God, or am I distracted with power and authority? Today's gospel we see three important things. First, Jesus is foretelling about his passion, death, and resurrection. Second, disciples quarrel. Third, Jesus' response to his disciples. First, Jesus is foretelling about his passion, death, and resurrection. In Mark Gospel, the second time Jesus is telling about his death. So, from this, we can understand that Jesus is clear in his focus. He is in the right track. The purpose of incarnation is redemption of the world only through passion, death, and resurrection of Jesus. That is God's will. So Jesus was focusing on God's will and he is moving towards that destination. But one of the saddest points is that still his disciples did not understand what Jesus was saying. Even though they do not know, they are afraid to ask about Jesus what he was saying. It shows that I know attitude, or why should I bother about those things, or if I ask further question, he may scold or say something to me like Peter. So they fail to ask what is the true meaning of messianicship. Second, we see disciples quarrel. Jesus was asking them what they were discussing on the way, but they did not say. They were in silence. It shows that they feel guilty, but they do not want to show that. They are guilty, nothing but who is the greatest among them. That is what they were discussing on the way. It shows their focus on Jesus was totally different. So far as Jesus was teaching about his purpose and mission, still his disciples act like other Jewish people, that their expectation of Messiah is the greatest one, glorious one. He will be a king of kings and he would strike down the Roman Empire and he would rule. So this was going into their mind, that being greatest and desiring for power and authority, which made them to lose their focus from Jesus to their own desires, power, and being greatest. So Jesus might have felt disappointed. He might have felt very sad. So he sat down and called them and taught them. Third, we see Jesus' response to his disciples. He taught them the value of being master and how the master should be. In simple words, he says to them, if anyone would be first, he must be last of all and servant of all. This may be a simple sentence, but it is very hard to follow. And disciples would have not expected this from Jesus, because in Jewish culture, servant is considered to be a slave who has to do all the works like taking the sandal of the master, washing the feet of the master, etc. So it is hard for one to do. For that, one needs to cultivate the quality of humility. Master is not the one who sits on the throne and commanding the people to do the work, but true master is the one who comes down to share and works along with the slave. that Jesus had done in his life. No other teacher for humility than Jesus alone, because he emptied his God's form, taking the human form and born like one of us. And he washed the feet of his disciples and became the true model of master. Finally, he taught us to be like children. When you take the children, the child always depends upon the parents. It has no influences at all. It cannot advance many career, not give us things, but child needs things. So Jesus is saying to his disciple that if a man welcomes the poor, ordinary people, the people who are rejected in the society, the people who do not have the influence and no wealth and no power, then he is welcoming me. And welcoming me is equal to welcoming God. So God is calling us, where is my focus? Am I focused on God, or am I distracted with wealth and power and money? So let us pray for the grace to focus on God and to do His will.